In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record vendor credits in QuickBooks Online. If a supplier issues a credit for returned items, overbilling, or a pricing adjustment, recording that credit properly keeps your expenses accurate and your payables balanced. I'll walk you through the process step by step and share a few tips to help you avoid common mistakes. Once you're in your QuickBooks Online company, start by going to the top left and clicking the New button. Depending on your version, it may appear as a plus sign followed by the word New. This opens the Create menu for transactions. From the menu, choose Vendor Credit. This tells QuickBooks you're entering a reduction to what you owe a supplier, not a payment or a refund you received. The vendor credit form will open, and this is where you'll enter the details. Select the vendor that issued the credit. Make sure it's the exact vendor name you use on their bills, so QuickBooks can link the credit correctly. Enter the credit date as it appears on the document you received, and add a reference number if one is provided. This helps with matching and audit trails later. Next, enter what the credit is for. If the original bill used categories, add the same expense accounts and amounts under the category details section. If the bill was created with products and services, use the item details section and mirror the items, quantities, and rates being credited. Keeping the credit structure consistent with the original bill ensures your accounts and inventory, if applicable, stay accurate. Enter amounts as positive numbers. QuickBooks will treat them as a reduction automatically. If you track sales tax on purchases, select the appropriate tax so the credit properly adjusts your tax reports. You can also choose a location or class if you use those for tracking. Add a short memo describing why the vendor issued the credit, such as returned goods or price adjustment. If you received a credit memo document, attach it here so everything is stored together for easy reference. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. That's it. The vendor credit is now recorded and will reduce the balance you owe that vendor. The next time you enter or pay a bill for this vendor, QuickBooks will show the available credit and let you apply it. If you don't see the vendor credit option, double-check that you're in the correct company and that you have permission to enter vendor transactions. A quick browser refresh can help if menus don't load as expected, and that's the process. New vendor credit. Enter the details carefully, then save and close. Keeping vendor credits accurate today saves time when it's time to pay bills.